This is Carlos back with another video. Today I'm producing the 2019 Ford F750 6.7 liter Power Stroke Deicer truck. Let's get started. Now, this is the Deicer truck. It's pretty different. I never drove one of these before, so I decided to show people who haven't seen an Deicer truck before what it looks like. I'm gonna do my walk around and then I get started. Okay, now this is the bucket. It's pretty obvious what it is. They use this to ice over the plane, and right here you have your nozzle. Get you a good view for you. You have your nozzle. Then we're gonna walk around here, and also you have an anti-ice device here with the hose rail button. That are your hoses and the icer pump, and the tanks are in here. This is the tanks. Pretty neat. And every time I drive this truck, I have to drive with a big old bucket sitting on the front bumper. But it's all good. Gotta go where the money takes me. Now this right here is the motor. The motor, the breaker box, and of course my toolbox, and all this other nice stuff. Got your ladder, heater number 1, heater number 2, heater number 3. Got your generator, your block heater. Open this. Pretty expensive piece of equipment. This truck here is going to Baltimore, Maryland, to the ports. It's getting put on the boat and getting shipped to another country. You see this here, and pretty neat old truck. I just hate the bucket in the front. This is the pump with the motor in here. Okay, this is made by Tetron out of Marinette, Wisconsin. And also you have another, the Deicer hose. Now, okay, now you have the little little print machine with your switchboard and your headset volume, switch box, and all that good stuff. And also have a nice old sunroof. And these trucks do not have air conditioning, just a blower, because these are the Deicer trucks. They're made for the winter anyway. So I just decided to do a quick review today to let you know what I'm driving and give people an insight of what I do. And people who've been knowing me for a while know that I drive all types of different trucks. Okay, well, don't forget to go on YouTube and follow Carlos Car and Truck Reviews. If you're having a problem with finding me because I don't have too many videos, message me and I'll send you the link. Okay, I just gave you a quick review on the 2019 6.7 liter Ford F750 Power Stroke. It'll be more coming. I got a lot of good content on the way. Like I say, want to follow me on YouTube? Go to Carlos Car and Truck Reviews. If you can't find me, message me and I'll send you a link. Till then, to the next video. Peace.